Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales, here today looking at this 2013 Peterbilt 579 4-axle dump truck with 17-foot Boulder lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. We got the Hendrickson steerable lift axle on there. Got the electric tarp, all aluminum rims on this one. Got the hitch plate down there that's 7/8 thick. Can bolt a hitch right on there later on if desired. Got the high lift tailgate system there. This is our 2019 model here from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Got the steel hydraulic tank on this one. Exhaust filter system. Upgraded front suspension with 315 Yokohamas on there. As you can see, the truck's a little lifted here with that extra leaf spring. This particular one has the Cummins ISX 15 engine. Go ahead and jump in the cab real quick. This one just got our standard mechanical controls. Really nice setup, PTO right there, PTO light, bed up indicator light. We got the lift axle switch here in the dash, and there's the mechanical controls right there. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.